Aklan is a province located in Region 6, the Western Visayas region of the Philippines. It is located in Panay Island. Its capital is the municipality of Calibo. Calibo, the vibrant capital of Aklan, it is the heart of the province, history and culture. Aklan is famous for its stunning Boracay Island and the vibrant Ati-Atihan held in January in its capital, Calibo.
This is the Calibo Señor Santo Niño Ati-Atihan Festival. It is the oldest festival in the Philippines. It is known as the mother of all Philippine festivals. It is held annually during the third Sunday of January in honor of the Santo Niño, Holy Child or Infant Jesus, in several towns of the province of Aklan, Panay Island. The name Ati-Atihan means to imitate the Ati people, which is the group of indigenous tribe who first lived in the province of Aklan.
Aklan is bordered clockwise from the north by the Sibuyan Sea, Sulu Sea, Capiz, and Antique. It is one of the oldest provinces in the country. As of 2020, it has a population of 615,475. Aklan has 17 municipalities. The total number of barangay in the province is 327.
The major economic activity is agriculture with rice and fishing, and coconut is their largest crops.
They speak Bisaya, which refer to a family of languages, including Aklanon, Capisnon, Waray, Hiligaynon, and other related languages. Aklanon serves as the main dialect in most of the province. Tagalog and English is understood and spoken. Boracay Island is a world-renowned Philippine tropical paradise, and it is famous for its iconic white sand beach, crystal clear blue water, and the stunning sunsets. Boracay Island is temporarily closed for 6 months in 2018 for rehabilitation and to address issues like overcrowding and pollution. The Jorilli Falls in Tangalan, Aklan. It is famous for its 7 basins. It has a crystal clear falls and a cascading waterfalls. The area is ideal for swimming, picnicking, and enjoying nature surroundings. It is a destination for nature lovers. Katunggan-it Ibahay Mangrove Eco Park. It is also known as the Ibahay Mangrove Forest. Known for its high biodiversity and centuries-old mangrove trees. It serves as a sanctuary for birds, mud lobsters, mangrove crabs, and other wildlife. Willis Rock Formation in Malay, Aklan. It is situated in Boracay Island. It is a volcanic rock formation with a shrine dedicated to the Virgin Mary. It is accessible by man-made steps. At low tide, it can be reached by land.
Traditional binakol is cooked inside a fresh bamboo. Native chicken plus onions and lemongrass or tanglad are added. This dish is similar to the sinigang.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Philippines.